Chick-fil-A is a billion-dollar cult disguised as a chicken joint. They've got the smallest menu in fast food, they're closed one day a week, and yet they're slapping McDonald's upside the head in per-store revenue. They don't need celebrity endorsements, they don't need viral TikToks, and they sure as hell don't need you to like them. Because you already do. You just don't know why.
It is a wildly popular fast food chain.
And I escaped from working at Chick-fil-A.
That's about social justice.
It's no secret that the founder of Chick-fil-A, Truett Cathy, was a devout Christian.
After all, very angry with denouncements of Chick-fil-A.
We don't love Chick-fil-A.
I never thought it would get this bad.
I'm the Content Cowboy, and today I'm going to break down 6 savage strategies that Chick-fil-A uses to hijack attention, build lifelong customers, and print profit like a Wall Street vampire. Strategy number 1, scarcity is sexy. Wait, hold up. Is it scarcity or scarcity? I gotta Google this.
Scarcity.
Damn it. So they're closed every Sunday, not by accident, but by design. That's $1 billion in missed revenue, but it's not a loss. It's actually a strategic play, because when something disappears once a week, your brain wants it more. It's called demand manipulation. Scarcity triggers the cravings, and the cravings create the chaos, and that's why you always want a chicken sandwich on Sundays. It's not bad timing, it's brilliant marketing. So in short, even though they lose $1 billion a year on purpose, you still love them for it. And here's how you can use this in your business. Close the cart, limit the seats, lock the doors, make it hard to get. If you're always available, you're never going to be as valuable. Strategy number 2, consistency cult. Every Chick-fil-A feels like it was cloned in the lab. The same smell, the same smile, the same damn my pleasure. It's not service, it's ritual. This isn't just fast food, it's predictable dopamine. You don't need to think, you just obey. And that's how cults work. And Chick-fil-A runs it like a black belt psychology dojo. Here's how you can steal this. Make your brand unshakably consistent. Your voice, your visuals, your offer. Drill it into the market until they see your name and hear your voice in their skull. And strategy number 3, weaponized kindness. Let's be honest. Most fast food service feels like a hostage negotiation. But at Chick-fil-A, it's like a southern grandma is delivering your order with a warm hug and a prayer.
We work hard at getting people to come back. It's the heart and soul of what we do.
My pleasure.
My pleasure.
My pleasure. Have a good day.
It's not normal. It's psychological warfare via kindness. Because when the expected experience is garbage, delivering above average feels like royalty. If you run a business, over-deliver. Be obnoxiously helpful. Follow up. Be the brand that actually gives a damn. It's rare. Strategy number 4. Simple sells, complexity kills. They sell chicken. That's it. No avocado toast, no pumpkin spice, no gluten-free meatball sliders, just fried or grilled. Pick your path, move on. Chicken. Meanwhile, every other brand is trying to dazzle you with 30 options and ends up confusing you into a refund. Chick-fil-A makes the yes feel so obvious, and that's how you win. Your move. Strip your offer to the bone. One product, one promise, one clear path. Confusion is the enemy. Simplicity is your sniper rifle. Strategy number 5. Community over clicks. They don't chase influencers, they sponsor little league games, they support families, they show up in real life. This isn't a brand, it's a movement. They're not shouting on the internet, they're shaking hands in your actual neighborhood. Here's a lesson. Stop begging for attention online. Build real roots. Create events. Build a tribe so loyal, they'll wait 45 minutes in line for a sandwich on a rainy day. And strategy number 6. High standards print profits. The franchise fee for Chick-fil-A is $10,000. Easy, right? Wrong. They get 40,000 applications a year and picked 80. That's a 0.2% acceptance rate. That means it's harder to be a franchisee of Chick-fil-A than it is to get into Harvard. Why? Because they don't want owners. They want disciples, people who live, breathe, and bleed their brand. And the reward? The average Chick-fil-A generates $8.7 million per year, more than double McDonald's. Your move. Protect your brand like it's sacred. Filter your clients. Don't work with just everyone. Train your team like Navy SEALs. Don't scale garbage. Build with standards or die slowly. In closing, yeah, Chick-fil-A is a cult. They use psychological warfare wrapped in a chicken sandwich, and it works like hell. And here's how you can do the same. Scarcity, consistency, weaponized kindness, simplicity, community, and standards. 6 psychological power plays that turn a basic menu into a billion-dollar empire. Steal them, use them, profit from them. I'm the Content Cowboy. Subscribe if you got the guts to scale, and stick around because in the next video, we're breaking down Taco Bell, the king of chaos marketing, late night brain hacking, and stoner domination. It's gonna get wild.